Alrighty, y'all, today we've got a tournament. It's my first tournament in a little over a month, and man, I'm excited. Woo! There's something about a tournament day, about getting ready, about prepping your gear, about getting on the road early in the morning. You know, there's an excitement about it, and if you haven't experienced tournament fishing, kayak tournament fishing, then you got to get out there and give it a try, guys. It is a blast. I mean, I'm pumped. I'm in the zone. I am ready. I've got my baits chosen. You know, I've got everything rigged, leaders tied on, you name it. Got my game plan. Looking forward to getting out there today, mixing it up with some of the best that the Mid-Atlantic region has to offer in kayak fishing, and at the end of the day, just having a good time. So that, you know, let's get out there. Today we're fishing Black Hills, Lake Seneca. Gonna be fishing from 6:30 to 2:30. Gonna be probably mid-80s, I think. We got a little bit of a cold front, but looking forward to it. Let's get out there. Hey, note to self, don't stick your camera outside the window with a very loose mic on it, because it'll blow off. Then you have to slow down. Then you have to go pick it up. But we just got here. Looks like a lot of people have the same idea, same launch as me. Not an issue, not an issue. Birds are chirping. Josh Evans is farting. It's all good. So you know, let's get to it. MAKBF, Black Hills, Seneca Lake. Stick it up, that's pretty good. Fish busting all over the place. I might even try to scoot back a little bit, work the deeper part of this grass line. So good thing got a Carolina rig tied on that allowed me to find the grass line without my electronics. Finally, Misa on the board. Yes. I might need 2 markers for this one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that felt good. That feels good. Guys, there's something about catching a fish in a tournament that just amps you up and makes you, makes you shake more. I mean, I saw this fish in the water, and I knew automatically, I was like, oh man, he is not hooked good. I didn't want to overfight him at all. So, just got him in the bottom. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, I'm glad to get you on the board. Oh, that felt good. That felt good. On a point there. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I'm gonna need 2. Hooking a 6XD. Hooking it. Got a 19. Goes on 2 tournaments right there. Yeah. Cranking a 6XD. Swam off good. Try to keep them in the water as best as possible. Always helps keep them hydrated and gives them air. All right, guys, we got about 20 minutes left. I'm pretty close to my truck. I need to, what do I need to do? I'm just kind of cranking deep and fast right now, seeing if I can pick up anything, get a lucky bite right now, but just glad to be able to have gotten the limit and got an hour to get to the check-in, so I'll fish all the way up until 2:30 and then call it quits. But been a rough day. Took forever to get that final bite. Really just slow sea rigged a lot of deep offshore grass, probably, which my lowrance, for some reason, I guess I got a loose wire or something. I didn't check the connections, but didn't power on today, and I don't know why. It worked perfectly Thursday when I took it out, so I have no clue why it's not working now. But gonna use the old 6XD for a little bit longer and then head in. I have no idea how I'm standing.
Are you ready?
All right, guys, just got here to check in. Gonna go check in, say hi, rub elbows, maybe take some pictures for the MAKBF. Gonna need this. Let's go.
Hi.
Brian?
Yeah.
Good to meet you, Brian.
I watch your video.
Oh yeah? Cool, bud. Appreciate
I enjoy
it.
Man. I do.
Thanks, Dean. Your first time get out here to one of these?
This is the first tournament, yeah.
Awesome. Where are you from?
Lake Anna?
Lake Anna here? Wow.
Virginia.
So you drove up from that area today? How long did that take you?
Last night. About 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
Had a good time.
Brian. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. I want one. I want red. Is that Ninja Cherry?
I got Ninja Cherry.
Oh, snap. Ooh, what's Tiger's Blood?
Fruit punch with coconut, sir.
Pour your own. Check it out. If you like pina coladas. I don't know how much is too much.
You want to really saturate the top so it gets down in there, but not overdo it.
Okay. A little bit more Ninja. There we go. Thank you, sir.